Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one take it away, Gabe?
Throw your hands up, then point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy, follow me. Go crazy now, and beep beep like a sheep.
Shut up! Shut up!
So, you know how to beat people
bad
like
chocolate
sheep, I
mud.
see. But, is that all you can do?
Throw your hands up and point them to the sky.